Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and been watching and haven't subscribed. That's all you had to do. Ding! And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I would like to thank all you for leaving all the good comments and everything. Hopefully I've been good help to you as you cooking in the Power XL. Plus Mr. Belle have videos on how to cook on the stove too, not just the Power XL. But today I'll be doing something different in this Power XL. I love cooking in this Power XL. You cook faster and it come out good and everything. So I'll be doing a lot of videos in this Power XL. Plus I'll be using the oven too and the stove cooking in. So today I'll be cooking some grits in the Power XL. You know, I grew up on grits and everything, and I was wondering, should I cook some grits in the Power XL? And I was thinking, and one of my kids said, yes, Dad, you should cook some grits in the Power XL. So today I'll be cooking some quick grits. It take 5 minutes. In the Power XL, probably take a few minutes longer for the water to heat up because it's not heating up by the stove. And today I'll be doing this for the first time. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. I will be taking you step by step cooking this grits for those of you who like grits and how you like cooking it. Today, Mr. Belle be cooking it nice and good today. It will not have no lumps in. Sometimes you cook grits and everything that have the lumps in it and you get tired. Today, this grits will be smooth and it will be good. So today my ingredients is the grits. As I say, I'll be using 1 cup and 1/4 of grits. I'll be using 4 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of butter. I like to put a little butter inside my water while it's heating up and everything. So it could be nice and loose and everything. So today, for all my first time viewers and they've been watching Mr. Belle videos, they don't know how to take this top off, that's all you gotta do is raise it up and give it a wiggle. 1, 2, and lift it up. Because I can't cook the grits with this top, so I'll be setting this top to the side and we're gonna get started. So what I'll be doing, I'll start just setting this up right now. I set this on, and you have all different kind of moves to put this in. So today I'm gonna be doing a little experiment. I'm gonna be using the rice mold to cook this grits in. So I'm gonna put it on rice and put it on rice, and as you see it will say rice and it's set at 45, which is, we're not even gonna use that 45 minutes or nothing like that. By the time it's circulating, this water get hot, it'll be time to put that grits in and get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna punch in the rice right here. Let's try this one more time. Put it on rice. It's on rice, and I'm press start so it could start circulating. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour these 4 cups of water in this, right, just like that. Pour it in. Let that get nice, good, and hot. And while that's getting hot, Mr. Belle gonna get his grits together. I'm gonna use a cup, like I say, I'm gonna use 1 cup and 1/4 for this water right here, what I have in the 4 cups of water. So I'm gonna wipe this out, make it dry and everything. And I'm gonna take a commercial break and I'm gonna be getting this together. So as you see, the water's boiling. The water is boiling real good and everything, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of this butter in there. Let it just melt. Just go right along with it. Put that in there like that. And now what I'm gonna do now, as you see, it's melting. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, a pinch. I'm just putting a pinch of salt in there and everything. Let that cook. My water is hot. I'm gonna just stir this up one time. See how good this come out. And you know this grits, when you're cooking grits on the stove, we get the popping and everything. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using this lid to cover it up. This is the lid that go with it. And I'm going to take it and cover it up. When I cover it up, when you get ready to look at it, you take the lid off like this. You don't want to take it off in the back like this, so everything drip in the back. So you'll take it off to the side. That way everything be safe. So the water look nice, good, and hot and everything. I'm just gonna pour this grits in just like this and stir it up. You wanna pour a little in at a time so you don't get no lumps. And this grits and everything come out just fine. Just stir that up like that. Just pour this in just like this and get a nice good stir. Just like that. And like I say, this is 1 cup and 1/4 of grits and 4 cups of water. Just put that in just like that. This is gonna be good. And this is the first time I'm doing this in the Power XL, so we get an idea. You see how loose that is and everything? Nice, good, and loose. And it only take a few minutes for this grits to get done. And everything. As you can hear the sizzling in it. Just like that, I'm gonna just stir it, make sure I don't have no lumps or nothing like that in it. And everything. It's cooking nice and good. I'm not gonna set the top on it because it's cooking good. Just like that, just stir it. Take my time to stir it, get all them lumps. Yeah, it's cooking good. Now it start popping up. So I'm gonna set this top on like that and let it cook. You know, and for all my first time watchers and been watching Mr. Belle Kitchen and everything, wash your dishes as it's cooking. Don't leave it for the sprouts. Don't leave it for the roommate. Don't leave it for the kids, or don't leave it for your friend. Just wash them as you go. That way, nobody have to worry about who's gonna wash the dishes. They might turn down the food because they think they have to wash the dishes. Wash them as you go so everyone can enjoy the food. We're gonna take a look at this grits in a minute and see how it's cooking. So I'm gonna take this top off. We're gonna look at this together and see how it's cooking and everything. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. It's cooking good. You can leave the top off if you like that little sparkle up and everything, but Mr. Belle, he don't like that sparkle. So this grits is done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press cancel, and I'm gonna unplug it, and it's looking good and everything. And I'm gonna transfer this into a bowl, put some butter on it, and as you see, it's looking good. No lumps or nothing, no lumps. And it's cooked nice and good. And that's cooking the grits in the Power XL. I'm gonna put it in the bowl and everything, and that looks delicious. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause it till I get a bowl ready for it and everything, and I'll be right back. And this right here is cooking your grits in the Power XL. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe and you're trying to subscribe, ding! That's all you have to do is hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you, and thanks for watching.